All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Nissan Quest. It is the SV model. It's beautiful gray color with cloth tan interior, premium sound system, stereo controls, backup camera, roof racks, alloy wheels. It's got only 14,000 miles. And best of all, minimum damage. Go real quick. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks pretty good. Has a little dent here, I see. Boom. Less than an inch, but it's there. This quarter here, this fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice NLC curbing. Your tire thread is at 530 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty darn nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice NLC curbing. And your tire thread is at over 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. Find the keys first. Boom. Does come with the 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM FM CD player right here. Boom. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera. Pow. Steering controls on this side as well as this side. And this is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for tire pressure and your airbag light on. And there's your mileage of 14,300 and some crap. All right. 14,347. All right. You got your passenger doors, your passenger sliding doors. Let's open this bad boy up. All right. You can open the other one as well. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have a cup armrest with cup holders and some storage. Likewise in your third, bro. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC controls and rear AC vents. Coming around, rear bumper looks pretty darn nice. Your rear deck lid looks good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. These seats do fold down, and there's some storage here as well. All right, these seats do fold forward and all that good stuff. Let's check out pictures for more details. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Tire thread is just at 730 seconds. Do have a dent here coming up and down like this. 3, 6, 9, about 9 inches. No paint off on this. I've got another little thing right here on this door as well. All right. Here's your other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row, no holes, no tears, no rips. Little button here. Closes this door. And this door looks good. And here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that one either. Front fender looks good. And your front passenger rim looks good. Tire thread over 530 seconds. Lights are working. Fog lights are working. The vehicle is running. Folks, once again, this is the 2017 Nissan Quest SV model with 14,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.